Ever tried untangling a mountain of legal papers to resolve a dispute? For millions in India, that's the reality. Over 500,000 consumer cases are stuck in a maze of red tape. But what if AI could cut through the chaos? Today, we're exploring Nyay-Darpan, a revolutionary tool transforming how consumer law works, one case at a time. So why is this a big deal? Consumer law isn't just complicated, it's a labyrinth. Legal professionals juggle endless case files, unclear sector categories, and a lack of tools to quickly find or summarize past rulings. Traditional AI. It often misses the nuance of legal language, like a translator who doesn't understand idioms. That's where Nyay-Darpan steps in, because justice shouldn't be slow or confusing. This isn't your average AI. It's a two-part system, one that summarizes case files and another that retrieves similar past judgments. Think of it as a legal assistant that doesn't just scan text, but actually understands it. And the results? Over 75% accuracy in finding relevant cases, and 70% in summarizing key details. That's not just helpful, it's a game changer. Let's start with the summarizer. Unlike generic AI, Nyay-Darpan is trained specifically on Indian consumer law. It distills dense case files into clear, structured summaries, highlighting the core issue, evidence from both sides, and the remedies requested. It's like a legal cheat sheet that grabs the essentials without the fluff. Then there's the case predictor. This part uses a clever mix of semantic and lexical analysis, meaning it looks at both the meaning of words and the words themselves. But here's the smart part. It filters cases by sector like banking or e-commerce. No more sifting through irrelevant rulings. It's like having a librarian who knows exactly where to find the right book. But how did they build this? The team created the CCFMS dataset, India's first of its kind. It includes 152 real consumer cases, each with human-written summaries and links to similar judgments. This isn't just data, it's a foundation for future AI research, making legal tech more reliable and accessible. What does this mean for real people? Imagine a consumer fighting over a faulty product. Instead of weeks of manual research, an AI like Nyay-Darpan could flag precedents, streamline arguments, and speed up resolution. But let's look at a real-world example to see how this plays out. Take the case of Gurraya S. a retiree disputing his pension under the Employees' Pension Scheme 1995. He claims his benefits were unfairly cut, but the Provident Fund authorities argue he didn't meet eligibility criteria. The core issue? Whether he completed 20 years of service or reached age 58 for additional perks. Pension calculations aren't just math, they're tied to strict rules. For instance, if you don't meet service thresholds or age requirements, you might lose out on benefits. But when disputes arise, it's not just about numbers. It's about interpreting documentation, verifying records, and navigating legal timelines. Gurraya's case hinges on evidence, pension records, official letters, and more. He seeks a revised calculation and compensation for losses, while authorities defend their calculations. But there's another layer, the statute of limitations. Legal claims aren't always open-ended. Did Gurraya file within the allowed timeframe? That's a critical question. What makes this case fascinating is how it reflects the complexity of administrative decisions. Pension schemes are governed by detailed rules, but real-life scenarios often blur lines. Was Gurraya's job classified correctly? Did the authorities interpret the rules fairly? These are the kinds of questions legal systems must resolve. This case isn't just about one person's pension. It's a window into how rules, records, and rights collide. It's a reminder that even well-intentioned systems can have gaps, and that understanding your options is key when something goes wrong. Whether it's a consumer dispute or a pension claim, technology like Nyay-Darpan is reshaping how justice is delivered. Stay tuned for more deep dives into AI's role in law. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. Thanks for watching.